Today we are exploring a Smiling Hill Farm in Westbrook, Maine. This is the first time that I've been here. I have heard so much about it though. The problem is today's temperatures are a high of 94, which in Maine is crazy hot. So we'll see how much we can handle and stand, and then we'll leave if we need to, but we came prepared. We have snacks, we have drinks for Ian and all of us, so hopefully that goes okay. But the goal today is to have fun, feed the animals and show Ian the animals and teach him a little bit about barnyard animals, and to stay cool. Those are our 3 goals today. Yoga?
Yeah, so they have all the yoga mats.
Oh my god. Private goat snuggling?
Yes.
Especially if it's a baby goat.
Enjoy a 30-minute session with at least 2 baby goats.
Oh, I love baby goats. They're the best. Can you say hi to the goat? Do you see their ball? Hi. Here's another baby. Hi, baby.
I bought 2 tokens worth of feed, so.
Just make sure Ian.
That goat knows.
Just make sure Ian doesn't eat it.
Look
knows. At these, they're all
they
like.
They know that sound.
Oh, Ian, you want to help? Wait, split it up. Give me some. Oh my goodness, Dayton.
He's doing it. Ian.
Do a little bit at a time. Put some in his hand.
Ian, look, feed it. Feed the goat. Feed that to the goat. Feed it to the goat.
He's trying.
Good job. Ian, there's some more there.
Oh, there's so many of them.
I'll feed this little baby.
Oh, did it eat your finger?
I think it did.
Ian, look. See, and then you go like this, and you. Oh, good job, Ian. He did it.
Good job.
He finds the little pieces and feeds them one at a time.
They're like.
He doesn't like.
They're like, man, you're not very much fun, little kiddo.
Hey, baby. You're so cute. Hey, baby.
For adoption, Ariel.
What?
Harvey.
We could bring one to Charlotte.
We wouldn't want a pet for Fifi.
And who needs goat yoga?
Although I think our apartment said cats and dogs. Didn't say anything about goats.
Aw, bummer. Goats eat everything.
Including Ian's fingers. Hey, oh.
Did it eat your hair?
Sure did.
I don't blame you. I would have done the same thing in your position.
No, you don't know if it tastes good till you try it.
Give me my hand. Look at his little hair. It's got goat spit in it. Look at him. This guy can. Look at his beak, how like strong it is. And his feathers. You're scary, but you're very beautiful. Yeah. Bird. Say emu. Emu.
Bird.
Bird.
Good. Put your fingers in that way.
Yeah, they might mistake it.
40 to 130 pounds, 6.6 feet. They're disease resistant.
Really?
Resistant, yes.
Even from the bird flu?
Yeah, are hardy and disease resistant.
Very nice.
Consume greens, vegetation, fruits, berries, veggies, insects, lizards, and Ian hands.
Hola, señor. How are you doing? Here's some cows. Let's see. Velocity.
Scotland.
Oh, they're Scotland? Scottish cows?
They're Galloway.
Oh, those are usually very friendly.
Well, let's go in the shade.
Yeah. Where? They're not gonna come visit us because we don't have no food for them.
Moo. Moo. He's mooing.
He's mooing. Are you mooing? Say moo. Moo.
Wow.
We're gonna hopefully see some pigs. Oh my goodness, and sheep.
All the goats just following.
Oh no. It's kind of...
Don't jump on him.
Hey. Hey. Hi everybody. You're all so cute.
This is a cute one.
Aww. These are sheep, Ian.
I don't want you to get trampled.
I don't think I've ever pet a sheep. Hi, sheep. Hey. Wow, you are very woolly.
It's everywhere.
You're covered in poop. There's Purell out there, Dayton. Whoa,
Whoa.
excuse you. Did you burp? Very, very intuitive, Ian.
He charged it and then got scared.
This is the maternity barn.
Over here. It looks like everybody's been maternated.
No,
this one.
True.
Oh yeah. Oh, wow.
Here's, there's a brand new baby. Oh, hello, baby.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, hey, goatee. Did you spend some time in here? Probably as a baby.
Here's the chicken.
How did this one get out?
Yeah, I think everybody's wondering that. There's always one chicken loose, you know what I mean?
This is cool. It's like shaded. It's a good thing we left our stroller out. Because we brought it in and left it like there, all of the goats would be like...
Yes.
Oh, there they are. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Got the white spots.
Oh, wow, Ian.
Look at the spots on the deer.
Hey.
I wonder if she heard the ding-a-ding under the food coming.
She sure did.
Sally. Oh.
Yeah, I really like my snacks.
Okay. How's a girl to keep her girth?
Never fed a deer before.
Ready to go back up? Nope. Where you going? You're cruising. He's going, Ariel.
You okay, Ian?
I was worried on the.
Oh, yeah. You can even open this door. Can you push? Good job, Ian. You figured it out.
The poops right now, you're gonna get a head full. He pulls his hands in when he gets close. This bum's a bit poopy, and for once it's not because of that.
This is a sheep.
Sheep, my wheelbarrow.
Hey sheep. Hey sheep.
And if you brought
Hey sheep.
in here, you would be swarmed.
Yeah. Excuse you. Look at him being all independent and brave.
He gets close, he goes like this.
Excuse you.
Hey, that sheepy wants to say hi. You got food? Oh, hi.
Wow, this one, feel that.
I know.
Reminds me of Ireland.
It's 88. Thankfully, we have some shade, but it is hot. But we're gonna take a drink break.
Nice.
Cheers.
No, that's
Bubble.
You gotta wash your hands, Ian.
I was probably gonna take off the stamps.
He can't quite reach the pedals. Daddy can reach the pedals, but his knees, yeah, makes it very tricky. That is a really fat pig.
Very stinky too.
Ian, say oink oink. Oh, good job, right on cue. This is our first time here, so we didn't really know what to expect. And the way it's laid out is when you get here, like once you go through the ticket booth area where you like get your stamp on your hand and you either pay for your tickets, we bought them online, but once you get in, there is like the barnyard area where there's tons of little areas with animals to look at, feed, pet. There's a ton, there's not like a playground, there's just like play things throughout that you can play on. Like for instance, this tractor right here that they're about to go play on. Basically there's two segments where you can just walk around and enjoy it. And the good thing for us, because today's a really hot day, most of it is in the shade. So that's really cool. You buy your feed ahead of time and they'll give you these tokens. And so we bought 2 tokens. So each token is 50 cents and it gives you basically like one little thing of food. We still have 1 token left, so we're saving it for the goats because that's been Ian's favorite. And then there's like a petting animal part, and then there's a part where they're caged off because they might bite or, you know, whatever. But it's really cool. Like the setup is excellent for like of all ages, where you can do more educational. For Ian, it's perfect because he's just learning to walk, so he's able to walk from like section to section to section, and he enjoys just getting to like see animals for like in his mind the first time and getting to know them. So it's set up really well. I'm assuming when we leave this section, there's a dairy barn that we're not going to go see today, and then there's also like the area where you can eat, the ice cream barn and stuff like that. So all of that is once you leave this section, but that's kind of like basically how the farm's set up, and it is perfect for Ian. It's a mini donkey, Dayton. Mr. Pickles. That is, or is it Skittles? There's 2. Hello, Mr. Pickles and Skittles.
Pickles.
It's Mr. Pickles, Ian.
So we're pretty much done looking at the animals, and one thing I noticed is they're very friendly, especially when in the petting part. They were okay with Ian touching them. They didn't jump or bite him. The other nice thing is that Ian being able to walk makes this such a better experience, because otherwise he'd just be trapped in his stroller, but him walking around, climbing, enjoying the animals has made this really good.
Right there is their dairy barn, which we aren't gonna bring Ian in because you're supposed to be quiet in there, and Ian's not good at being quiet. But this garden is beautiful. Wow.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's very hot right here. This is probably the hottest place yet. Let's go visit the ice cream barn.
Yeah.
This is their little sitting area. It's all wooded, which is amazing.
They make cheeses here and their ice creams too.
So all their ice cream's made here? And you just got chocolate, or did you get double chocolate?
I got chocolate. You're gonna be real messy though. It's a wooden spoon.
Biodegradable.
Because we are in Maine.
Yummy! It's nice to be inside because it's 90 degrees out now.
There we go.
You sucking it? Yum! You say yum. Yeah. Remember the cows that went moo? Those are the cows that helped us have ice cream.
It's really yummy. It's actually very chocolatey.
Is it creamy?
Did you see this picture?
No.
It's the knights are who own it, and in 1917 giving the mailman ice cream.
That's cool.
Oh, it's over 100 years old.
Wow. This place is just so beautiful. Like there's the area we were at, but then there's all these like rolling fields. So I think the one thing I would do differently next time is I would buy a boatload of feed.
Oh, you can buy more feed.
Yeah, because we only bought $1 worth, which I don't know, it was fine. But I think next time, if I could do it again, I would feed a lot more animals. That was my favorite part. So,
Yeah.
what was your favorite part?
Ian's interaction with the goats and sheep. That
Yeah.
was so cute.
That was really cute. Anyway, stay tuned. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And we're gonna finish out our month and a half in Maine strong. So keep following along for more Maine content. But until next time, bye! Wait a second, we gotta do that one more time. Okay, so until next time, bye!